Have you seen the assassin?
Why are you looking for him? You're not one of Nassana's mercs. Who are you?
You've got two ways down. Express or Coach. Your choice.
Look, pal. Even if I knew where he was, I wouldn't tell you.
Not the answer I was looking for.
I've got nothing more to say to you. If you shoot...
How about goodbye?
They left me a Gewehr 43. ZF-4 telescopic sight. 4 times magnification. Nice. No time for a test drive, though. Fritz had spotted me, as I'd known they would.
You and your bitch.
I'll bring my daughter up here and whoop you. I'll bring my granddaughter up here.
Okay, well bring them, nigga. Bring your mammy up here, bitch, and I'll beat her ass too.
Oh, shit.
Nigga, our dog got home too, nigga.
Look like somebody done slice your face up.
Oh, you motherfucker.
Your face up. Bitch, somebody...
Ooh!
You going to jail now?
Okay, what's
You
up,
going to
nigga?
jail now?
You going to jail?
I appreciate the tenor of the conversations. I think it will actually yield results before the end of the year, and I look forward to continuing this dialogue in the months ahead. Thank you very much, everybody.
What are you doing? My brother died at the Battle of Hoover Dam. You're desecrating a war memorial. Oh, now it's on.
Sword deployment.
Why won't you die? Nanomachine, son! They harden in response to physical trauma. You can't hurt me, Jack! Oh.
Be behind cover. You are right. Be behind cover.
Starts right now.
Hi, Dad.
Hi.
I don't really need your help, but I just wanted to let you know that I'm going to win the $1 million. Because the U.S. president appeared on Laughing as Richard Nixon, that's my final answer.
Well, my God. What can I say except, Debbie, you're going to Paris, and this is the final answer heard all around the world. He's won $1 million.
I hoped it wouldn't come to this, but it did, so... Fuck. It was
facility is rigged for demolition. I gave the order back in Polis. Now that we've lost D6, our only option is to destroy it.
Count us in, sir. What the hell? Nobody lives forever.
What the hell is this?